Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on a new foundation. Recently Dior came out with this new Diorskin Forever foundation that's undercover 24-hour coverage, so we're gonna put it to the test for a full day check-in test. Let's see if this thing is what it claims. Now I got the shade 25 in this foundation. I did purchase it from Sephora, so hopefully this will be the right shade for me. So it comes like this. It's just a plastic bottle. Oh my goodness, what is this? Alright, so it comes in a little squirt bottle like this. Now, this will be nice for traveling, but honestly, something from Dior, I would think it would be more luxurious, comes with a pump, but this actually would be nice for traveling. So let's give this foundation a go and see how it looks on the face. Now before I try it out, I just wanted to go to the Dior website and read a little bit about this foundation. So it says over here it is kiss-proof, touch-proof, life-proof, all night, all day. Okay, let's see if that is true. Alright, so I have no makeup on my face right now. I'm going to go ahead and put some Professional to prime my face. Now initially I wasn't going to prime my face with this product, but since it's a full coverage, I kind of want to go for a more glam look today. Just patting some Professional, mainly on my cheeks. So I'm going to squirt a little bit on my hand. Okay, this color looks good, hopefully. Now I'm going to get my Chanel No. 6 brush. Just put a little bit on there. This foundation smells really good, which is something to be expected from Dior and Chanel foundations. They always smell so good. So it's not really strong though, so it's a nice fragrance. Very lightweight. I'm just going to put a little bit more. Around my nose especially, it's where I get the most redness. Okay, so now I'm going to get my beauty blender. As usual, dab it all over my face. Okay, I'm so glad this color is right. Every time I buy any foundation or concealer online, I just hold my breath when I get it. Okay, so it definitely is full coverage. And I did go ahead and shake this before applying it, so it does say that you need to shake it. Looks really fresh and kind of natural for a full coverage foundation. Okay. It kind of looks matte, but also has a little bit of dewiness, so it's not completely matte, which I like. I'm really curious to know how this foundation holds up throughout the day. But there's a foundation on the face. I look like a ghost, so let me do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the rest of my makeup on. I just did a tutorial on this look as well. I recently purchased a new palette, so this video will probably be up after this one is done. So let me go ahead and go about my day. I'll take you guys with me and I'll do a few check-ins throughout the day to let you know how this foundation holds up. But you guys, this foundation looks flawless. My face looks honestly like a baby. It's super soft. It's not too matte where it's over drying, which is exactly the kind of look I was going for and the foundation that I like, because I have kind of combination skin more towards the dry end, so this is perfect for me. So I really hope this foundation doesn't crease and it just keeps looking good throughout the day. That's what I'm hoping for. So I'll take you guys with me and I'll do a couple of check-ins throughout the day. Okay, so now it's currently 3 p.m. and my foundation is honestly still looking very good. I don't have any creasing at all. It just altogether looks so smooth. I'm really excited about this. I mean, if this hangs in there all day looking like this will definitely be one of the top foundations I own for sure. All right, so I'm about to clean my fish tank. It's looking a little bit grimy right now, so you can see. Yeah, definitely needs to be cleaned up. Okay, so I just got done cleaning my fish tank. Now I do need a new filter, so I'm gonna go out and grab some. And just a little bit on my skin. Still looking good, still looking great. I do see my natural oils kind of peeking through, but it still looks really beautiful and radiant. I'm definitely loving this foundation. Okay, so just a little bit on what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this leather jacket from Zara, and this shirt as well. It's from Zara. It has little pearls over here and on the buttons. I love it. It's so comfy. I love wearing this outfit. Okay, I think this may be my favorite foundation for sure, but we'll keep checking in.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just finished getting a couple of things, and it's about 4:30 right now. And look at this, guys. My makeup is looking so good, so gorgeous. I'm honestly loving this foundation for sure. Now I thought I'd give you guys my final thoughts on this foundation. So it is now 9 p.m. at night, and I've had this foundation on for about 10 hours. What do you guys think? It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, it just held up all day long. It looks great. It did not crease at all. It definitely has more of a matte to a kind of slightly dewy finish, which is perfect for me because I normally get dry skin. So I don't feel dry at all. It feels like I have nothing at all on my face. So I definitely love it because it is full coverage foundation. I wouldn't use it on a day-to-day basis, but for events, for going out, this is definitely going to be a staple in my makeup collection. I would highly recommend it if you can get your hands on it. It does retail for $52, so it's not cheap. So if you guys can try a sample of it, I would highly recommend you do so. It's great, it's travel friendly, it looks pretty on the skin. What more can I say? Thank you guys so much for all of your comments. I really appreciate them. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.